Design is the silent language of space. For almost a century, Dulux has been the trusted voice in this conversation, helping transform spaces into experiences that endure. Introducing the Dulux Maestro, a program crafted for you, the architects and interior designers who shape and color our world. Inspired by concentric circles, the Maestro's ripple logo is a symbol of unity, innovation, and collaboration. As part of this creative partnership, you'll gain access to expert-led forecasts, the latest global trends, and insights that shape color choices. Additionally, a select few will have the opportunity to participate in trend mapping workshops, product research, and collaborative projects. Our on-site sampling service ensures you can confidently choose the right color and finish for your customers before finalizing your selection. Get your hands on the Dulux Maestro kits, packed with essential color tools and comprehensive product information. Explore over 2,000 colors seamlessly on AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit with the Dulux CAD Pro plugins. Gain complete access to our pioneering innovations and certified contractors for effortless last-mile execution. We also celebrate your artistry by showcasing your remarkable projects across our social media platforms. Maximize value from all your purchases and collaborations by earning loyalty points. Our on-ground AID officers will give you step-by-step assistance to help bring your dream project to life. Every benefit of this program is thoughtfully designed with your needs at the core. So, what are you waiting for? Be a Dulux Maestro.
Dulux, Dulux, Dulux.